Breaking news from WPTV News Channel 5.
We are on top of breaking news at this hour. A federal judge in West Palm Beach has ordered the redacted affidavit that led to that Mar-a-Lago search be released by noon tomorrow.
The Department of Justice met today's noon deadline to turn in the proposed redactions of the warrant. It was served on former President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate on August 8th, seizing documents taken from the White House.
WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan tonight live at the federal courthouse in downtown West Palm Beach with the breaking details on this story. Tori?
The exact timing of when those documents will be released to the public is still unknown at this time. We just know before noon tomorrow. So we are continuing to track that very closely. But here's the latest as far as where we stand and how we got to this point. The focus continues to be on that search warrant affidavit that contains important details about the government's justification in the search of Mar-a-Lago. Former President Trump had called for the release of the affidavit without any redactions, but here are some of the key points and the judge's order to unseal that redacted affidavit. Judge Reinhart found portions of the affidavit that will be sealed will include identities of witnesses, law enforcement, uncharged parties, investigation strategy, direction, scope or methods, as well as grand jury information. Deanna Schulman, a media attorney who has represented WPTV before in public records, walked us through the redactions.
The government is allowed to redact those things that they can prove to the court there's a compelling interest in keeping secret. And so those are things like the identity of confidential informants, the identity of cooperating witnesses, the potential identities of other targets of the investigation that we may not yet be aware of, the sources and methods of the investigation, sort of where the investigation is going or headed.
So again, the main takeaway is that that document will be released on or before noon tomorrow, and we'll continue to watch it closely and bring it to you once it is available. We're live in West Palm Beach. Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.